In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add autoplay video with sound on Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor so you are on the page where you want this media to appear. This is where you will add and configure the player element. Make sure you are in the editor view and not just preview mode, so all of the controls you need are available. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand panel and click the Add Elements button, which is marked with a plus sign. This section gives you access to the different items you can place on your site, including text, images, galleries, and media tools. From that menu, choose Video and Audio. This is the category where Wix keeps its audio and video-related elements. After that, add the appropriate player to your page. When the player appears, click on the newly added player and select Manage Your Music. This opens the area where you can control the media connected to that element. Even though the main goal here is autoplay with sound, this part is important because it ensures the player is properly set up and ready to be adjusted from the editor. Once you have done that, return to the editor page and click on the music player element again. This is important because the next setting is found directly on the element itself. With the player selected, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. The settings panel is where Wix lets you control how the player behaves when someone visits your site. In the settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Autoplay when page loads. Turn that toggle on. This tells Wix to start the media automatically as soon as the page opens, instead of waiting for the visitor to press play manually. If your site layout includes multiple audio or video elements, it is a good idea to double-check that you are editing the correct one before leaving the settings panel. After switching Autoplay on, your setup is complete. At this point, you can preview the page to make sure the player behaves the way you expect. If needed, you can return to the same settings area and make further adjustments later. That covers everything you need to know.